In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fuel tank straps on your Ford Taurus. It's located underneath the fuel tank. All right, so you want to support your tank from underneath. This tranny jack works well. Using a 13mm socket and an extension, I'm going to loosen my bolts for the straps. Alright, again using a 13mm socket, and we're going to get rid of this other bolt. Again, spray some rust penetrant and work it back and forth for a little while so that bolt doesn't break off. There we go. So now we're going to make sure our pins are free in this gas tank strap, and with a magnet try to persuade that pin out. Now, if yours is as rusty as us, it may be a little more challenging. But we're pretty savvy in the rust department around here. Once you get it started, you can grab a hold of it and pull it out. And then this strap will come down. Again, you're going to do the same thing as the other side. Grab a magnet, a little gentle persuasion. Once you get it out a little bit, you can grab on and pull it out. All right, just to point something out, the short one, meaning this bend here, is a little shorter than this one. It goes on the passenger side, so this one's on the driver's side. All right, so we're going to put our strap in on this end first. You're not going to be able to get it up here if you try getting the pins in first. So I would start your bolts. On both sides. All right, and now we're going to put the bolt in on this side. Now we're just going to hand tighten. So now we're going to put our pin in on this side to hold the strap in place. Like that. Zip it up there. Do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.